spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the lid shop. Today we're going to install an underglow kit on my S13, my 1JZ DCT S13, because I think it just misses something. If I'm driving on the highway at night, it looks cool, but it can look way cooler. But before we're going to do that, I need to address something from the last video, because I said this.
Spoiler. And it's got glass where there shouldn't be glass.
Yeah, so that's cool.
Yeah.
It's actually a Prius.
Don't say that.
And I'm not being forced to say this at all. Say it! Okay. But the CRX does not look like a Prius, even though it does. Okay, CRX does not look like a Prius. It's a beautiful design, it's timeless, and it just reminds me of the Prius. Okay, I take back what I said. It doesn't look like a Prius at all, even though it does. I take it all back. The CRX does not look like a Prius. So here's my Wish underglow kit, and it wasn't really expensive, so I'm not expecting the best results, but it's better than nothing, and I just want to see it on the car, have some fun. So I'm going to install that, and I'm taking you guys along with the process of installing a Wish kit on a really expensive S13. I got a hole in the floor right there, and it's kind of in the middle of the car, and it's kind of in the right position to get 12 volts. So I think we're going to run everything through there, and the LED strips are attached to the module itself, so I cannot run them separately. I need to run it in one big go, and I think that's kind of inconvenient, but it doesn't really matter because, well, it's an underglow kit from Wish, so I'm not going to complain. We're going to feed everything through that hole and then connect it up in the car itself, put the car up in the air and put the strips on the underside, and I think I'm just going to zip tie the hell out of it because it's a Japanese shitbox. And it's a Wish underglow kit. So zip ties, hot glue, and a lot of sweat because it's hot. Let's get to work.
I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would.
I have a feeling it's warm inside.
Yeah, it is. Not a great time to install an underglow kit. We have to do it anyway.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 32 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
And for Americans, that is hot.
Almost. Isn't that almost 100?
I don't know. If they just use the good system. Yeah.
Just don't be dumb.
There was one American and he said, Fahrenheit is very smart because if it's 100 degrees, it's 100% warm. And if it's 20 degrees, it's 20% warm. Like, what the fuck?
And if you take Celsius and it's 100 degrees, you got the boiling point of water. And if it's 0, you get a freezing point of water. So which one makes more sense? I don't know. It's Celsius.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. Check me out.
All the LED strips are mounted, so now the car can go down again and then we can hook up the wiring on the inside. and we can test it.
A few minutes later.
The underglow is installed and it all works, and I'm really happy about that. But I'm not going to show you the results right now because it's way too bright outside, so you're not going to see anything. Also in here you don't really see anything about it. So we're going to wait till it gets a little darker outside, and I think we're going to make some cool rolling shots. So for me it's going to be a few hours, and for you it's going to be a second. So enjoy.
Check me out. Check me out. Just check me. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah.
It's Celsius.
Yeah. Are you gonna use fucking feet and stones to measure things?
Yeah. How far is that? I don't know. I think it's about 2 feet.
But stones, that's English.
Yeah. And it's also stupid.
But in America they use pounds anyway, and that's stupid as well.
Yeah. It's like 1 kilo is 1 liter of water.
Metric is so much better.
Yeah.
Everything
It all
is
makes
based on
sense.
water. Everything is based on 1 liter or 1 kilo of water.
Yeah.
0 is freezing, 100 is boiling. Don't be dumb.
It makes sense. But we have to give them one thing. We are using their language.
Yeah, sure, but
That's the only thing.
just use the rest as well.
And like gallons, what the fuck are that? It's,
Use a liter.
but in that way, America is better than England. America uses all the stupid things, and England has liters and stones, and they just grabbed everything and put it together and like, oh, it'll be fine.
Just like the country itself is all mismatched.
Yeah.
That was a joke. Don't cancel me, please.
It's so hot, I could use a bowl of water.
A bottle of water. Can I have a bottle of water?
How cold do you want it? 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That doesn't sound cold. 50, is that
It's not cold.
I don't know.
50 is not cold.
No, that's not really cold. See, that's what I mean. You don't know. You never know. What? Je moet proberen tegen mijn hoofd aan.
Ja, maar dan met de auto.
Probeer gewoon iets hoger.
Okay.
Okay, CRX does not look like a Prius. It's a beautiful design, it's timeless, and it just reminds me of the Prius. Say it!